Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends.
Today, I'm going to share with you my love for hellebores, also known as lenten rose. They are perennial, deer and pest resistant, and have attractive evergreen foliage. Hellebores belong to buttercup family that also includes clematis and delphinium. It's a small genus of about 20 species native to Europe and Asia. Most of the varieties grown in home gardens are hybrids. Hellebores niger blooms around Christmas time and commonly called Christmas rose. Their winter blooms have fueled and fascinated the imagination going back centuries. In fact, it's one of the oldest cultivated plants we know. I bought several hellebores varieties at Trader Joe's and Wegmans at the beginning of December and also some in March for a great price and enjoyed the beautiful blooms indoors. After they're done blooming, it's best to move them into coldest areas of your house before you can plant them in your garden in the spring. It's best to acclimate plants first by placing pots outside for a few hours. I actually planted some right in December as the weather was very mild and they're doing very well. I planted a few hellebore varieties in my garden under use, and they survived hot summer and harsh winter.
And this variety French Kiss we planted last fall and they survived winter really well and even bloomed a little bit this year. So now I'm gonna cut old leaves and let them sprout and be beautiful.
Most species are poisonous. There is no need to worry about pests, however. This plant usually does them no harm as long as they don't eat its poisonous roots. Always wear gloves with handling hellebores. They contain sap that may cause skin reaction in sensitive people. Lenten roses are an outstanding combination plant for adding color, texture, and habit to the ornamental shade garden in areas between shrubs and under trees. When you choose to grow late winter or early spring blooming hellebores, you provide a valuable food source for bumblebees who often struggle to find nectar-rich plants during this time. There are hundreds of recognized hellebore cultivars available in the market. Ice and Roses series has an extremely extended bloom time, mid-December through April. Hellebores are relatively low-maintenance plants with some specific preferences. They prefer partial to full shade, though some varieties can tolerate more sun if the soil consistently moist. They prefer well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Hellebores don't like wet feet, so avoid waterlogged conditions. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during growing season. Mulch can help retain moisture. Most varieties are cold hardy and can withstand frost. They typically thrive in USDA hardiness zone 4 to 9. Use balanced, slow-released fertilizer in early spring as new growth emerges. Hellebores can be propagated by division in early spring or by seed, though the seed propagation takes longer.